Musamseleku wants his daughter Awongwe to take over his businesses. Awongwe is going to be a producer of Utando Nestembo and Izingane Sestembo. Musamseleku is going to retire to be the producer because of his age. Awongwe is going to take over his businesses because Awongwe is a graduate of entertainment and she is intelligent too. So Macele's kids are going to take over Musamseleku's businesses and Musamseleku's home in Muzumbe. Lwahle Macele's son is taking over Muzumbe because Mpumelelo doesn't show interest to take over Muzumbe. Musamseleku wanted Mpumelelo to take over Muzumbe, but he failed. That's why Musamseleku took Lwahle and said, Lwahle, you have to stay in Muzumbe. Awongwe, you have to take over his businesses to be a producer of Izingane Sestembo. But they are going to complain, especially Mayeni. Mayeni is going to complain why Musamseleku wants Macele's kids to take over his businesses. It is going to be a fight again. But Musamseleku last time on Utando Nestembo Uncut was complaining about Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo was staying in Durban with his mother Mayeni because when Mayeni shifted, go and stay in Durban, Mpumelelo was staying there. You remember Tirelo's words, she says Mpumelelo doesn't want to stay in Muzumbe. Even at that time, Mayeni was staying in Muzumbe. Mpumelelo was staying in Joburg and Durban, and he can come there and there to see his mother Mayeni. But now Mayeni, she is no longer staying in Muzumbe. Mpumelelo was not staying in Muzumbe even to bother himself to come. That's why Musamseleku took a decision that Lwahle, you have to stay in Muzumbe. I love Macele's kids. Macele's kids, they tolerate Musamseleku more than their mother. Macele doesn't want his kids to stay in Muzumbe because she built a house in her village. That house Lwahle was staying with his girlfriend. So Musamseleku took Lwahle and asked him, why are you staying at Macele's village? Come and stay at my village in Muzumbe. So Lwahle tolerated his father and he shifted. Lwahle was staying at Macele's old house than Mpumelelo because Mpumelelo was the one who's supposed to remain there in Muzumbe to stay at Mayeni's house. But Mpumelelo failed to stay in Muzumbe, and it is going to be a fight because Lwahle, even Musamseleku is going to pass on or what, Lwahle is going to ask Mpumelelo that you don't want to stay in Muzumbe. Why you show interest now? Because when Musamseleku passed on, those kids are going to fight for Musamseleku inheritance. But now Awongwe and Lwahle are those people who are helping Musamseleku. Awongwe is helping Musamseleku on entertainment. When it becomes to Snare is worse. Snare doesn't help her father Musamseleku because the person who was helping him is Makumalo. They help each other to produce those programs, Izingane Sestembo and Utando Nestembo. But Makumalo, she is no longer interested because the way Musamseleku was treating Makumalo, and Makumalo thinks that she doesn't have a child with the Musamseleku. It's better to have her own business without involving Musamseleku's family, Musamseleku's kids. Because Utando Nestembo and Izingane Sestembo involving the whole family. When Musamseleku passed on, Makumalo she is not going to benefit anything. That's why Makumalo decided to put herself aside. Yes, they can shoot together. Utando Nestembo, they can shoot here. But Makumalo, she is no longer interested to be a producer. So Musamseleku decided to work with Awongwe because Awongwe show interest and she have got a degree than other kids. Snare, she doesn't show even the interest to be the part of to produce or to see. You know that sometimes they are wasting their money, they are paying directors, paying other people instead of his kids. They supposed sometimes to shoot that content. Because Musamseleku have got many family. Even you have got a big family with his sister. They can shoot the content together and make money without paying, because they are wasting money paying directors and other people, photographer, what.